Hey everyone, in this 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to add the downloadable file to your Wix website. Perfect for PDFs, guides, or ebooks. First, log into your Wix account and open your website in the editor. Click on the section or page where you want to add the download button. Next, click the Add Elements icon on the left. Go to Button, then drag any button style onto your page. Click the button, then select Change Text and Icon. Update it to say something like Download Now or Get File. Now, click Link. From the options, choose Document. Click Upload Media, then upload your PDF, image, or any downloadable file. Once uploaded, select the file and click Done. You'll see the button now links to your profile. When visitors click it, your file will automatically download or open in a new tab. And that's how you add the downloadable file to your Wix website in 2025. Quick, simple, and perfect for sharing resources or freebies.